Good morning students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College, Khairaba, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain you exercise 3.5 question number 4th first part. There are 5 part in the question number 4. First part I have explained you. Now see the second part of the exercise of 3.5. See very carefully. First part is a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charge, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Okay, first question is this. In this you have to make equations and then you have to solve by elimination method. Okay, how will you solve? See, let the fixed charge be x and per day charge is rupees y. Let the fixed charge be x and per day charge be y. Okay, first case is case 1 is if he is when a student take food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000. A student is to A is the name of the student. He stay in the hostel for 20 days and she have to pay 1000 rupees. So equation will be, because fixed charge is x, it has to pay, and y charge is according to per day. So x plus 20y equal to 1000, because a student has stayed in the hostel 20 days. So x charge, this is the fixed charge, this one have to pay, this one everyone have to pay, and y is the day charge according to day. Since she stayed 20 days, so 20y, x plus 20y equal to, and total cost is 1000. This is the first equation. And another student, whereas student B, C pays rupees 1180 and she stay in the hostel 26 days. So x charge is fixed, this one has to pay everyone, and y charge is according to day. So 26 into y, x plus 26 into y equal to 1180. This is the second equation. Okay, the equation 1 and 2. Now use elimination method. Write first equation, subtract equation 1 from 2. First equation, subtract equation 1 from 2. You have to subtract equation 1 from the 2. Write the second equation on the upper, x plus 26y equal to 1180, and first equation downside, x plus 20y equal to 1000, because you have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So write down this, and as you are subtracting the equation, so now change the sign. If you are subtracting, here it will be minus, here it is plus, it will be minus, here it is plus, here it will be minus. In the subtraction, signs change. So here it was plus, so here it is minus, here it was plus, so here it is minus, and here it was plus, so here it is minus. Plus x minus x cancels out. 26y minus 20y, 6y. Okay, 6y equal to 1180 minus 1000, 180. Divide 180 by 6, y equal to 180 upon 6, y equal to 30. Now put the value of y equal to 30 in equation 1. Put the value of y equal to 30 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 20y equal to 1000. X plus 20, y is 30. So put here in place of 30, in place of y 30, 20 into 30 equal to 1000. X plus 20 into 30, 600 equal to 1000. X equal to 1000 minus 600, x equal to 400. So fixed charge is 400 and 30 rupees is according to day when you are staying in the hostel. Okay, now see the second part. Second part is a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. How will you find fraction? Let the fraction be x upon y. Case 1, when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Question is saying 1 is subtracted from the numerator. We are doing the same. We are subtracting 1 from the numerator and y is as it is. When we are subtracting 1 from the numerator, fraction becomes 1 by 3, so equal to 1 by 3. And cross multiply this 3x minus 1 and y into 1 y. Okay, so 3 into x 3x, 3 into 1 3 y. Okay, shift y this side, 3x minus y equal to shift 3 minus 3 that side, so equal to 3. This is the first equation. 3x minus y equal to 3 is the first equation. Now see the second case. Second case is if we are adding 8 in the denominator, so we add 8 in the denominator. X upon y is the fraction. We are adding 8 in the denominator and fraction becomes 1 by 4. So fraction becomes equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now cross multiply 4 into x 4x, y plus 8 equal to 1, y plus 8, 4x shift y this side, 4x minus y equal to 8. This is the equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. You have to solve these by elimination method. Okay, method of elimination to solving equation. You have to solve this method. Now see the third part. Yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Okay, conditions are there in the question. Yes scored 40 marks in the test when getting 4 marks for each, and when he is getting 3 marks for right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. When he is getting 4 marks for correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer, yes scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? You have to find. How will you solve? See the question. Let the number of correct answer be x and wrong answer be y. Okay, wrong answer be y. Let the number of correct answer be x and wrong answer be y. Okay, case 1, when 3 marks is awarded for correct answer, so 3x, and 1 marks is deducted for the wrong answer, so 3x, because deduction brings negative sign, so 3x minus y equal to, and he scored marks 40. So equation first is 3x minus y equal to 40. Case 2, when 4 marks is awarded for correct answer, 4 into and questions we have assumed that correct answers be x. Okay, so 4x, and since you know the deduction brings negative sign, so minus 2 because in second case 2 marks are deducted for the incorrect answer, so 2 into y. Y is number of incorrect number of wrong answers. Okay, so 4x minus, and he scored marks 50, so 4x minus 2y equal to 50. This is the equation 2. 3x minus y equal to 40 is equation 1 and 4x minus 2y equal to 50 is equation 2. You have to solve these equation by elimination method. Okay, now see the question number 4, fourth part. As you are seeing question number 4th part. Places A and B are 100 km apart on highway. One car start from A and other from B at the same time. If the car travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours if they travel towards each other. Okay, if they are travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of two cars? How will you solve this question? I am not giving you exact solution of this, but I have an question similar to this one for you. See that question, how it is solving, and then you will try this question by your own. Okay, similar question is places A and B are 160 km apart on a highway. One car start from A and another from B at the same time. if they travel in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours, but if they travel towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. Find the speed of the car. How will you solve? Let x and y are car starting from A and B. From A, x car has started, and from B, y car has started from this point. Okay, from B point, y car has started. Okay, places between them, distance between A and B is 160 kilometer. Okay, A and B respectively, and there let speed x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour. Okay, speed of x car is x kilometer per hour, and speed of y car is y kilometer per hour. Then AB equal to, between distance between A and B is 160 kilometer. Case 1, when the two cars move in the same direction. Cars are moving in the same direction. In case let the two cars meet at the, if A car is traveling in this direction, and B car is also in this same direction. Okay, distance let this car is traveling in this direction as arrow I have shown, and B car also in the same direction, and they both cars meets at M point. So distance covered by x in 8 hours, distance covered by x car in 8 hours equal to 8 into x, because distance equal to time into speed. Distance equal to, formula is distance equal to time into speed. Okay, so distance equal to time into speed, so 8 into x. Okay, and distance covered by y in 8 hour, y car in 8 hour equal to 8 into y, because time is 8 hour and speed is y kilometer, okay, per hour speed. So distance covered by y in 8 hours equal to 8y. Okay, now am equal to 8x and bm equal to 8y. am equal to 8x and bm equal to 8y. am minus bm equal to ab. How will you am minus bm equal to ab? See the figure again carefully. am minus bm, what will left? ab. Okay, you will, when you subtract the whole from am to bm, it will left ab. Okay, this is given in the question here. Okay, am minus bm equal to ab. am is 8x and bm is 8y, so 8x minus 8y equal to 160, because distance of ab is 160. Okay, 8x minus 8y equal to 160, so take common from these 8 x minus y equal to 160, divide this 160 by 8, it will equation becomes x minus y equal to 20. This is the first equation. Okay, when the two cars, case 2, what is the case 2? When the two cars are moves in opposite direction. Okay, when the cars are moving in this car is going in this direction and this car is going in this direction, they are coming towards in the opposite direction. Okay, one car is coming from this and second is from this. The directions are different. This is going this side and this is going this side. Okay, as explained in the figure. Okay, car A is going in this direction in the arrow and B is going in this direction. They meet at P point. Distance covered by x in 2 hour, because when they are if they travel in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. They are traveling towards each other, they will meet at P point in 2 hours. So distance covered by x car, because here it is x car, x car start from A point and y car start from B point. So when they meet at P point, distance covered by x car in 2 hours equal to 2 into x, because I have explained you distance equal to time into speed. It is the formula, distance equal to time into speed. Okay, time is 2 hour and speed of x car is x. Okay, so distance equal to 2x, and distance covered by y in 2 hours. y car, distance covered by y car in 2 hours equal to 2 into y, because formula is distance equal to time into speed, and time is 2 hour and speed is y, and total distance between A and B is 160 kilometer. So 2x plus 2y equal to, in the figure they are showing AP plus PB equal to AB, because AP plus PB equal to whole AB. So AP plus PB equal to AB, and AP is 2x and BP is 2y. So 2x plus 2y equal to 160. Take common from these two, 2 x plus y equal to 160. So divide 160 by 2, so it will come 80. X plus y equal to 80. This is the equation 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. You can solve very easily these two equation. Okay, how will you solve? See, first equation is x minus y equal to 20. This is equation 1. And second equation is x plus y equal to 80. Okay, equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, when we are adding these two equation, adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, x minus y, first equation is x minus y equal to 20, and second is x plus y equal to 80. When you are adding, this is equation 2, when you are adding, this have plus sign and this one has negative sign, this one is having plus sign and this one is negative sign, they will cancel out. Okay, they will cancel out. X plus x, 2x equal to 20 plus 80, it will come 100. Okay, x equal to 100 upon 2, 250, so x is 50. Okay, on putting x equal to 50 in equation 2, equation 2 is x plus y equal to 80. Okay, x is 50 and plus y equal to 80. Okay, y equal to 80 minus 50, y equal to 30. So speed of first car which start from A is 50, and speed of second car which start from Y is B point is start from A, first car which start from A point, speed is 50, and speed of which car that start from B point is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, now see the last part of this. Now last part is area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. If we increase the length by 3 unit and the breadth by 2 unit, the area increased by 67 square unit. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Question is, see again question and try to understand. The area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. Second case is, if we increase the length by 3 unit and the breadth by 2 unit, the area increased by 67 square unit. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. This question you will do by your own, but I have another question similar as this question for you. See that question and try to understand this question, and I hope you will solve this question by your own. If you will face problem, then I will send you solution for this question. Okay, see the similar question. If the length of a rectangle is reduced by 5 unit and its breadth is increased by 2 unit, then the area of rectangle is reduced by 80 square unit. However, if we increase the length by 10 unit and decrease the breadth by 5 unit, the area is increased by 50 square unit. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. If the length of a rectangle is reduced by 5 unit okay, and its breadth is increased by 2 unit, then the area of rectangle is reduced by 80 square unit. However, if we increase its length by 10 unit and decrease the breadth by 5 unit, its area is increased by 50 square unit. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay, see this question. Let the length and breadth of the rectangle be x and y units respectively. Length of the rectangle is x and breadth of the rectangle is y. Area will be the rectangle because area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, you know. So length is x and breadth is y. So L into area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into length into breadth, and in this question we have assumed length is x and breadth is y, so x into y, xy. Area of rectangle is xy. Case 1, when question is saying when the length is reduced by 5 unit, when the length is reduced by 5 unit and the breadth is increased by 2 unit, new length will be x minus 5 because length is reduced by 5 means decreased, so length equal to x minus 5. Length is x minus 5 and breadth is increased by 2 unit, so new breadth equal to y plus 2 because breadth is increased, so it will be add, so y plus 2. New area equal to, because area of rectangle is L into B, so length is x, new length is x minus 5 and new breadth is y plus 5, so L into B, x minus 5 into y plus 2. Multiply these two and solve the equation. You will get this equation 5y minus 2x equal to 70. This is equation 1. Case 2, when the length is increased by 10 unit and breadth is decreased by 5 unit, new length will be, because length is increased, so x plus 10, and breadth is decreased by 5 unit, new breadth will be y minus 5. But in your exercise question, second case is little different. In this you are seeing, if we increase the length 3 unit and breadth by 2 unit, in second case we are increasing both length and breadth. Here in this question length is increased but breadth is decreased by 5 unit, and in that question you are increasing the both two. Why? So here in that question there here it will be plus. Okay, keep this in your mind to solve that question. Here it will be plus in your part. Okay, this is little different. In this question here breadth is decreased, but in your that question you have to solve. In that question the length breadth is increased by 2 unit. Okay, here it will be y plus 2. Keep this in your mind to solve that question. Now see this question. New length is x plus 10 because length is increased by 10 unit and breadth is decreased by 5 units, so breadth equal to y minus 5. New area, length into breadth. Again, what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length is x plus 10 and breadth is y minus 5, so length into breadth. Now solve these, and new area was 50 square unit, so put that equal. Okay, put that equal this new area, put equal to 50, x plus 10 y minus 5, x plus 10 y minus 5 minus xy equal to 50, because decrease the breadth 5, the area is increased by 50 square unit, so area is increased by 50, so difference of these two will be 50. Okay, so x plus 10 y minus 5 minus xy equal to 50. Solve these equations, you will get 10y minus 5x equal to 100. So, and equation is, second equation is 2y minus x equal to 20. This is second equation. First equation is 5y minus 2x equal to 70 and second is 2y minus x equal to 20. This is the second equation. Now you will solve by elimination method and you will get your solution. X 40 and y is 30. Okay, you have to solve this by your own. I will send you pic of this question. Okay. Now thank you and have a good day for you.